Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Data Science Preparation Hub. So in this video, I'll be discussing on the skill set required for the entry level data analyst position. So based on the previous experiences, I would like to share this. And yeah, let's get into the video, guys. So first skill I would tell is statistics, because data, it revolves around statistics, which is the fundamental thing to understand about data. So mainly we require the basic concepts in statistics like descriptive statistics and inferential statistics, and also on A by B testing. So A by B testing is widely used by all over the industry for testing the features. And next would be hypothesis testing, where we kind of formulate the hypothesis based on the problem which we face, and we kind of analyze and provide the recommendations or solutions. And the next part I would tell about tools is SQL, which is very important and mandatory, followed by Python. So basic understanding and working of Python is required, and followed by Power BI or Tableau, which is like also very mandatory. And next, I would say is the version control. So version control like Git and GitHub is also the required skill, where we kind of try to push and pull the code. And next is the very important thing when we consider the is the domain knowledge. So the very good understanding of domain knowledge helps us to refine our data, to extract more information from our data, as well as to give a better recommendation to the end users or end customers. So business understanding as well as the domain knowledge plays a vital role apart from all the tools and technologies. And finally is the communication skill. So the communication skill, where we kind of like try to deliver the inference or insights, is also very important. So please feel free to share your thoughts over the skill sets. Thank you everyone. Great day.